Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall NVIDIA GeForce Experience and driver overlays, detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall NVIDIA GeForce Experience and its driver overlays, begin by accessing your Windows settings. Click on the Start menu located in the lower left corner of your screen. Select the gear icon to open the settings window. In the settings menu, click on Apps to view installed applications. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find NVIDIA GeForce Experience. Click on NVIDIA GeForce Experience to reveal the options. Choose the Uninstall button, then confirm your decision to initiate the uninstallation process. Wait for the uninstallation to complete, which may take a few moments. Next, navigate to the Control Panel by searching for it in the Start menu. In the Control Panel, click on Programs and then Programs and Features. Scroll through the list of installed programs to locate NVIDIA Graphics Driver. Select NVIDIA Graphics Driver and click the Uninstall button. Follow the prompts to complete the driver uninstallation. After uninstalling both programs, restart your computer to finalize the changes. Once your system reboots, check if any remaining NVIDIA-related processes are still active. To do this, right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. In the Task Manager, look for any. If any are found, right-click them and select End Task to terminate them. For a complete removal, you may also want to delete any remaining NVIDIA folders. Navigate to this PC and open the local disk, C. Go to Program Files and, if it exists, right-click it and choose Delete to remove it. Similarly, check the Program Files, x86, directory for an NVIDIA folder. Delete any remaining NVIDIA files you find there as well. Lastly, consider running a system cleaner to remove leftover files and registry entries. Your system should now be free of NVIDIA GeForce Experience and its driver overlays. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.